He was the man who welcomed Modi with open arms at the BJP National Executive Meet in Goa, where the Gujarat Chief Minister was elevated as the BJP's poll panel chief for the 2014 elections. Now, Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has commented on Narendra Modi's handling of the Gujarat riots. In an interview to the New York Times, the Goa Chief Minister admits that the violence in 2002 should have been avoided, hinting that he would have handled the situation better if he were in Modi's place. Tavleen Singh now joining us on the phone line with more details. What can you share with us, Tavleen, as far as the statements made by Manohar Parrikar are concerned?
It's very clear as far as the Goa Chief Minister's statement is concerned. If you remember, when the national executive of the BJP had happened in the month of June, it was indeed Manohar Parrikar who had raised the pitch of, for the naming Narendra Modi as a prime ministerial candidate and saying that he is the man who should take the party forward as far as 2014 is concerned. But very interesting turn of events, because he has very categorically now stated in the interview that he's given to an international blog, saying very categorically that the 2002 riots and the corresponding events that happened post 2002 riots could have been handled better. In fact, he has said that if he was in his place, then he would have taken some, strict administrative measures. So obviously, this will not be appreciated by the party at all, because remember, as it is, the heat is rising on Narendra Modi. Given the fact that Banzara letter has come, in the backdrop of just 48 hours ago, and what has happened between the Congress and the BJP, and also the other parties also jumping in the fray as far as Banzara is concerned. And now from within the party, one of the BJP root chief ministers stating and talking about the 2002, which, Narendra Modi has more often than not always avoided. Nida, also, if you can keep in mind that just recently, senior leaders in the party have only raised the pitch of naming Narendra Modi as the prime ministerial candidate. It was indeed Arun Jaitley just last week who was saying that, the uncertainty in the BJP could probably harm the party in the given future. And then Venkaiah Naidu had also stated that it's time the prime ministerial candidate is decided. Whether this now, creates more trouble in the BJP, that remains to be seen, but definitely a statement that will not go down well with the party senior leadership.
But it would be interesting to figure out, Tavleen, what's brought on this change of stance?
See, if you read very carefully, Nida, the full interview that he's given, though he has stated very categorically that he could have handled the 2002 riots better and the repercussions that had happened much better, but he has gone ahead and very categorically also stated that, he should not be blamed for what happened, because he was a new chief minister. He had just taken over, so probably that is why the inexperience was something that was at play, and that is why we have seen the kind of incidents that took place in Gujarat. So in his own defense, the Goa chief minister has said very categorically that he was a new chief minister, and also said in the same breath that, he is in fact popular, and the fear factor in the Congress and the other parties is only because Narendra Modi is rising. So, if you would ask Goa chief minister, he would say that he has only spoken the truth, and obviously that one statement that 2002 could have been handled better by him obviously will create a lot of ripples within the party.
Tavleen, thanks very much for that information.